Welcome to day 2 of 30 days to better hearing. So today, when you put your hearing aids in, your brain is still very much going to be adjusting to new sounds. Before you had hearing aids, your brain will have adjusted to living with your hearing loss. And so what it considers to be normal actually isn't. When you put your hearing aids in, you're giving your brain access to all of the sounds it has got used to not hearing. And when this happens, your brain makes you overly aware of the sounds that it's not used to. That's why it will probably sound a little bit tinny and a little bit echoey. This happens to everybody. When you get hearing aids, you need to trick your brain into thinking these sounds are normal. This process is known as habituation. The biggest factor in helping this along, unfortunately, is time. Sometimes it can be quite quick, sometimes it takes a bit longer, but nobody puts new hearing aids in and they sound perfect straight away. We've got to get used to them. Now, your audiologist will likely have tried to make this process a bit easier by starting the hearing aids at a lower volume or prescription. When we fit hearing aids, the focus is often on comfort because when they're comfortable, you're more likely to wear them. As comfort improves even further over time, you can turn the hearing aids up closer to where they should be. But this is an important thing to remember here. When you focus on comfort, you lose out on benefit. This is because if you were to put them at full prescription, they would be really uncomfortable. So by turning them down, whilst they're more comfortable, they won't be as beneficial. So you really need to keep this in mind when heading out and about with your hearing aids at the moment, because you can't expect them to be fixing every problem that you had before just yet. It's only when your hearing aids are up to full prescription that you can expect the maximum benefit from them. At the moment, they are going to be sounding a bit tinny, a little bit echoey. Still, this is absolutely normal. Your main job at the moment is to wear them as much as you can. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 3.